Well, Brian, that's right. I'm here with the CEO of Ecolab, Christoph Beck. Thanks so much for joining us. We're here to talk, of course, water, which is becoming a huge part of your business, especially in support of AI technology and, of course, sustainable water. That's what we're here to talk about. Tell us about the new technologies you're developing, which you've recently announced, and why you're leaning so hard into water now as such a big part of your business.
Thanks for having me, Diana. Climate Week, for us, it's Growth Week, because when we think about data centers, one is opening every week, one fab every month as well. They all require a lot of water. We estimate we will need the incremental power of the whole of India by 2030 and the drinking needs of the whole of the United States by 2030 as well. The technology we bring, it's to enable data centers to power even more AI in the future, and the same for microelectronics as well. It's a great growth opportunity for us.
And how is it sustainable?
It's sustainable because the new technologies do not use water, or mostly no water. When we think about how data centers were cooled in the past, it was air conditioning in a big room. Well, tomorrow it's going to be direct-to-chip cooling. You have no water, it's just a liquid coming to a chip, and you don't use any water, and you have much more AI power with it.
So you're providing that special liquid technology.
We do provide that liquid technology. We monitor it, we provide the services, and we make sure that it works with a perfect uptime.
So we have to talk about the elephant in the room, which is, of course, the huge story of NVIDIA's $100 billion investment in OpenAI. That's just going to scale more data centers. Is Ecolab going to get a piece of that down the road?
It's a great story. We've been a growth company for a very long time. Water has been our growth drivers for a very long time, and high tech, especially. So what's happening today? Well, that's going to mean, as you said, so many more data centers. It's going to be as well many more microelectronics chips that we will need in those data centers. It's a great growth driver for us. It's more technology, it's more construction, it's more services, and it's good for the country at the same time.
And at the same time, your stock is up 15% year to date. How do you see growth when you lean into this water, into the AI, into all the possibilities there? How is that going to fuel Ecolab's bottom line?
Our company has been 102 years a successful company. We've been delivering double-digit earnings quarter after quarter for a very long time. This has been our mantra. By finding new growth opportunity, AI is the newest one. Biotech is another one. We won't talk about this one, obviously, so for today, but this is one of the major drivers for us in terms of growth and in terms of earnings as well. That's going to be the continuation of the great Ecolab story.
And you continue to lean into this, possibly for even quantum real estate, quantum data centers, where those opportunities are. But you are seriously in the sustainable part of it. You continue to support that. What about in the atmosphere of a president who today, President Trump, said climate change is the biggest con ever perpetuated on Earth?
For us, it's always been a question of performance. It's helping businesses unleash growth, make more money, invest more in the future. When we talk about data center, if our solution helped data center to be powered with no water, it's a good thing for the tech companies, it's a good thing for all consumers, and it's good for the environment, because when you think about most data centers in the future, they won't use more water than a car wash that you have in your community as well. So it's a good deal for everyone.